let's try fufu. Or is it fufu? And it's almost like a really soft, sticky, stretchy almost dough. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is what a lot of Africans eat along with their foods. So like this is their version of the starch. A lot of South Asians, we have roti. So we would break off a piece of the roti and then eat it with our other meat dishes or veggie dishes or whatever. And it's basically made with yam flour. There's another one that's made with cassava flour. This one, I just made it with yam flour. I went to my local Nigerian restaurant. I forgot what this was called, but it's basically beef with spinach and watermelon seeds, and I believe it's palm oil. So I'm gonna break off a piece, or actually, you know what? Let me see what this tastes like by itself, and then I'll eat it with the beef. I'm gonna break off a piece. It's almost stretchy. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's a very neutral flavor. Maybe a little bit like mashed potatoes. I guess I'm just gonna treat this like roti and just scoop it up like this. There you go. So we got the beef and the fufu. It's a bit chewy, but nothing crazy. Yeah, you do taste a bit of that potatoey flavor, in my opinion. I don't know how else you guys would explain it, but it's the same concept as roti. Like, you just need something to eat your main dish with. It'll be odd to eat this by itself, and it's the same way where you wouldn't just eat roti by itself. Just on its own isn't really a snack or a meal. And I'm assuming you can't just eat this by itself. Like, you wouldn't just go in with a spoon. You need something to scoop it with, right? Yeah, it makes sense. It's the same concept, and I guess it just helps complement the dish, and it makes you feel more full too.